I'm sure you've heard the news, Sorrento's Italy's coastal gem. But what makes it so unforgettable? Let's find out. Perched high above the sparkling Bay of Naples, Sorrento is a feast for the senses. Lemon groves, pastel buildings, and winding lanes. Stroll the ancient streets where history meets the scent of fresh espresso. Locals greet you with warmth, and every meal is a celebration of flavor. Try the legendary limoncello, and you'll never forget it. From breathtaking cliffside views to secret beaches, adventure calls at every corner. Hop a ferry to Capri or get lost in the magic of the Amalfi Coast. Whether you're savoring pizza at a sunlit cafe or watching fishermen haul in the day's catch, Sorrento invites you to slow down and soak it all in. This is more than a destination. It's a feeling, an invitation to live fully, if only for a few days. So pack your bags and let Sorrento's charms sweep you off your feet. The next great story of your travels starts here.